Hey everybody, me again, working on Ford F-150, the Lariat edition. Awesome, now I can't switch the camera angle. So it's the 5.4, can you see that? Close enough. All right, so I posted a video about this the other day. I didn't have the part in hand, but was kind of hoping that I would get it today, so I did. I want to go ahead and put it in. It's extremely easy to put in. It's $10. So if you ever have a grinding noise that's coming from your front driver's side or passenger side, some people will go with brakes or rotors. If it's not that, you move on to the wheel hub assembly. It's not that. Next thing I went to was the four-wheel drive actuators. Turned out it actually wasn't that either. The main culprit of this took me a while, did some digging, watched a couple other videos, just dropped the part, and I came to find out that there's a solenoid up here against the firewall, right here. This is the solenoid. It's got two nuts that hold it on. I went ahead and unplugged it. I went ahead and took the part out that's bad. It's a one-way valve. So, in theory, one way, you should be able to blow on one side of this and not blow on the other. So I can blow on that side, can blow on that side. So that lets me know that that is 100% bad and not allowing vacuum to go down to the four-wheel drive actuator and actually lock it into place or lock it out of place. Use the brand new one, can't get any air through. Air comes through the other side. It's got a really small diaphragm in there, so I mean this isn't one that you need to like blow a lot of air through, but you do need to try to push some air through it. If it's just simply putting up resistance, then you have a good one. Move on to the next thing. If it's blowing from both sides, it's definitely bad. Go ahead and change it. This is literally a $10 part at O'Reilly's. I've spent well over $300, and I still have the solenoid sitting in the kitchen, debating on whether or not I should go ahead and put it on, but probably not going to put it on. I'm going to test this out. It's probably going to get rid of the grinding noise because it's going to lock the wheel hubs in place, reset the check engine light. All's good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.